Good morning, dear student. Welcome to the virtual class of Sundargarh. I am Rosmanjan BC from Government Assistant Teacher of Government High School, Tiglipada. Today we are going to discuss the third part of the topic, the lost child. Before this class, we have already discussed part 1 and part 2. What will happen with the child in the third part? Today we are going to discuss about it. Let's move to the smartboard and start our topic. Three parts of picture are there on the screen. A family goes to a spring fair. In the first picture, family consists of a child, father and mother. In the second picture, the child is fascinated by or attracted by the flowering mustard, field, toys, garland, insect, burfi and many more sights. On his way to the fair, but the child, whatever the child wanted, that was denied by his parents. Now we'll start the part third. What will happen with the child? Let's read the paragraph first. The child watched them intently and then he made a bold request. I want to go on the roundabout. Please, father, mother. There was no reply. He turned to look at his parents. They were not there ahead of him. He turned to look on either side. They were not there. He looked behind. There was no sign of them. A full deep cry rose within his dry throat, and with a sudden jerk of his body, he ran from where he stood, crying in real fear. Mother, father, tears rolled down from his eyes. Out of fear, he ran to one side first, then to the other, hither and thither in all directions, knowing not where to go. Mother, father, he cried. His yellow turban came untied, and his clothes has become muddy. Next, having run to and fro for a while, he stood helpless. His cry changed into sob. At little distance on the green grass, he could see through his filmy, no sign a man and woman talking. He tried to look intently, but there was no of his father and mother among these people. He ran quickly again, this time to a temple to which people seemed to be crowding. Every little inch of space here was congested with men, but he ran through people's legs, his little sub lingering. Mother, father, near the entrance to the temple. However, the crowd became very thick, men jostled with each other. The poor child struggled to find a way between their feet, but finally men failed. Men failed to find a way, but finally man failed to raise his voice with the highest pitch. Father, mother, a man, the rushing crowd heard his cry, stooping with great difficulty, lifted him up in his arms. Now we'll discuss the meaning of difficult words, glossary. Intently, giving all attention to something, ପ୍ରବଳ ଆଗ୍ରହ ଦେଖିବା, intently, jerk, quick sharp movement, আকস্মিକ ଧକ୍କା, hither and thither, here and there, ଏଠି ସେଠି, turban means ପଗଡ଼ି. Here is a children who had a yellow turban on his head. Untie, free from that tie. Tie means ବାନ୍ଧି ହେବା, untie means ଖୋଲିଯିବା. Muddy, full of or cover in mind, ମଇଳା. To and fro, forward and backward, ଆଗକୁ ପଛକୁ. Soft, to cry noisily. Talking, taking sudden sharp breath, कोई कांदिबा. Soft, filmy, transparent, स्वच्छ. Congested, full of traffic. ଗହଳିପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ lingering lasting for a long time ବେଶୀ ସମୟ ରହିବା। Jostles means to push something roughly against somebody in a crowd ଜନଗହଳିପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଜାଗାରେ ଠେଲାପେଲା ହେବା। Jostles stooping to bend your body forward and downward ଆଗକୁ ନଇଁ ପଡ଼ିବା stooping। After discussion of the meaning of difficult word, let's understand the topic. The child watched them intently and then he made a bold request. I want to go on the roundabout. Please, father, mother. Dear student, you can see the picture here. The men, women and children who were enjoying on the roundabout. The child watched them intently. The child watched them intently. ତାକୁ ପ୍ରବଳ ଆଗ୍ରହ ସହ ଦେଖିଲା। and then he made a bold request. He made a bold request to his parents that I want to go on the roundabout. Please, father, mother. Next. But there was no reply. After requested to his parent, there was no reply. He turned to look at his parents. ସେ ବୁଲି ପଡ଼ି ତା ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସକୁ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲା। They were not there. They were not there ahead of him. They were not there ahead of him. ତା ଆଗକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ତା ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସକୁ ପାଇଲା ନାହିଁ। He turned to look on either side. After seeing both sides, he turned to look on either side. He moved to right and left side. They were not there. Then he looked behind. ସେ ପଛକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ବୁଲିଲା। There was no sign of them. ତାଙ୍କର ସେ ଚିହ୍ନବର୍ଣ୍ଣ ପାଇଲା ନାହିଁ। Next, a full deep cry rose within his dry throat and with a sudden jerk of his body, he ran from where he stood, crying, real fear, mother, father. A full deep cry rose within his dry throat. ତା dry throat ଗଳାରେ ସେ ଜୋର ସେ କାନ୍ଦିବାକୁ ଲାଗିଲା। With a sudden jerk ତାକୁ ଆକସ୍ମିକ ଧକ୍କା ଭଳିଆ ତାକୁ ଲାଗିଲା। Of his body where he stood, he started running from there. ସେ ସେଠାକୁ ଦୌଡ଼ିବାକୁ ଲାଗିଲା। Crying in real fear, mother, father. Tears rolled down from his eye. Out of fear, he ran to one side, then to the other. Tear rolled down from his eye. ତା ଆଖିରୁ ଲୁହ ଗଡ଼ିଗଲା। Out of fear, he ran to one side first. Out of fear, he started running to one side first, then to the other side. ତାପରେ ଗୋଟେ ସାଇଡ୍ ଦୌଡ଼ିଲା ପରେ ସେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଅନ୍ୟ ଦିଗକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଦୌଡ଼ିବାକୁ ଲାଗିଲା। Hither and thither in all direction. ସେ ଚତୁର୍ଦିଗକୁ ବୁଲିବାକୁ ଖୋଜିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲା। Knowing not where to go. ସେ କେଉଁଆଡ଼େ ସେ ଯିବ ଜାଣିନଥିଲା। Mother and father, he cried. ସେ କାନ୍ଦିବାକୁ ଲାଗିଲା। His yellow turban came untied. The child who had a yellow turban on his head, the yellow turban came untied. ସେଟା ଖୋଲିଗଲା। And his the clothes which he was wearing become muddy. You can see the picture. The clothes here became muddy. Having run to and fro for a while, he stood helpless. His scratch changed into sobs. At little distance on the green grass he could see. Having run to and fro for a while. Say to and fro. ସେ ଆଗକୁ ପଛକୁ ଦୌଡ଼ିବାକୁ ଲାଗିଲା। He stood helpless. ସେ helpless ଜଣାଗଲା। His cry ତା କାନ୍ଦଟା change into sob. ସେ ତା କାନ୍ଦ ବଢ଼ି ବଢ଼ି ସେ କଇଁ କାନ୍ଦିବାକୁ ଲାଗିଲା। His cry changes into sob. At little distance on the green grass he could see through his filmy nose and hair. ସେ ଦେଖିଲା ଯେ you can see the picture here. Men and women were talking. He could see this place and start running to that place. He tried to look intently. intently से जगह को प्रबल आग्रह तो देखिला. He tried to look intently, but there was no of his father and mother among these people. से जगह रे जो अनेक men and women थिले से जगह रे निजो parents को पाई परिला नहीं. Next. He ran quickly again, this time to a temple to which people seemed to be crowding. You can see the picture here. You can see the picture here. The place was overcrowding. Near the temple, he ran quickly. Then he started running quickly again to this place. This time to a temple. See what temple area को गला. To which people seem to be overcrowding. से जगह पर overcrowding थिला. The place was overcrowding. The place was overcrowding. Then every seemed to be overcrowding. Every little inch of space here was congested with men. से जगह रे जो little inches प्रत्येक जगह जनगहली पूर्ण थिला. Congested with men, but he ran through people's leg. से जनगहली पूर्ण जगह रे से लोकंको legs मध्य जीवा पाई चेष्टा कला. His littles of lingering जो से कहीं कहीं कांदुतला कांदेवाटा आहुरी कंटिन्यू कांदी चलीला. Saying mother and father. Near the entrance to the temple, however, the crowd became very thick. Near the entrance to the temple, when he moved to the entrance to the temple, the crowd became very thick. सेतेबेले मंदिर पाखापाखि गला. He became very thick. The crowd became very thick. आउटा जनगहली पूर्ण थिला. Men jostle with each other. Men jostle with each other. लोक माने सेठारे पूरा ठेला फेला अवस्था थिले. से जागु से जिया पई चेष्टा कला. Next. The poor child struggled to find a way between their feet, but finally man in field and raised his voice with the highest pitch, Father, Mother. The poor child struggled to find a way. The poor child struggled चेष्टा कला जे to find a way between their feet. लोक मानक जनगहली. You can see the picture. The place was overcrowding. The poor child struggle बहुत संघर्ष कला जे आओ केमती से बढ़िबो between their feet, but finally he failed. से आओ को बढ़ी परिला नहीं. And raised his voice with the highest pitch. से voice को से उच्च स्वर रे कहबा को लागिला. Raised his voice with the highest pitch. उच्च स्वर रे कहिला Father, Mother. A man से उच्च से कहला बापा मामूल से कांद बोली से कहिला. A man, the rushing crowd heard his cry. A man, you can see the picture here. A man is here who is trying to lifted him up in his arm. The man in the rushing crowd से ताकू कांद को सुनी पाला. heard his cry ता कांद को सुनी पाला. And stooping कांद को सुनिला पर stooping with great difficulty. Stooping means आगो को नई आसिला भीड़ रे with great difficulty बहुत कष्ट से आगो आसिला. आउ से पिला को lifted him up in his arm. आर्म रे ताकू उठे नेला. This is all about your part third. Let's summarize the part third of the topic. The child made a bold request to his parent to go on the roundabout. आमे देखिले जे छुआटा the child bold request to his parents. ता parents को bold request सुकला to go on the roundabout रे बसिवा पई ता parents को से कहिला. But there was no reply. But he did not find his parent in that place. He turned to look on either side. से आओ को पछा को he tried to find his parents but could not find them. See, the parents को ही भाई पटला नहीं. He cried bitterly out of fear. See, कांदोरी पूरा इगला. He ran here and there in the crowd to find his parents. He ran here and there in the crowd to find his parents. से एठी सेठी दौड़वा को आरंभ कला. He ran here and there in the crowd to find his parents. At last he ran to a temple. He ran to a temple. से वो temple मंदिर वाला को बोला which was overcrowded. जोड़ा के जनगहली पूर्ण थिला. The poor child struggled to find a way in the crowd. The poor child crowd रे से बहुत संघर्ष करी आगे बढ़ी चला. The poor child struggled to find a way in the crowd but failed. किंतु से आगे को बढ़ी परिला नहीं. He raised his voice. से इधर से आगे बढ़ी परिला नहीं. से तब voice को तब उच्च स्वर से कहिला with the highest pitch to find out his parents. ता parent को खोजवा पे से उच्च स्वर कहिला to highest to parent. Fortunately a man in the crowd heard his cry. So जनगहली पूर्ण जगह रे जने लोक a man heard his cry in the crowd and lifted him up in his arm. ଆଉ ସେ जनगहली पूर्ण जगह रे ତାକୁ ସେ ଉଠେଇ ନେଲା. Let's move to the question answer round. Activity. For each question, select the correct alternative from 4 given alternative to answer the question. Question number 1. At what point in the fair did the child lose his parent? At what point in the fair did the child lose his parent? Option A. Dear student, at what point in the fair did the child lose his parent? Option A, at the sweet meat shop. Option B, at the flower shop. Option C, at the balloon seller. Option D, at the roundabout. Police high school. Which is the correct answer? Police high school.
Option B.
Not.
Option B.
At what point? What? At what
Option B.
point? No.
Option B.
Option B. Right answer is? What is the right answer?
Option D.
Option D is the right answer.
Option D.
At the roundabout, the child lost his parent. So, option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. Question number 2. The child watched them intently. Whom does them refer to? Question number 2. Option A, men, women and children. Option B, men, women and youth. Option C, men, women and old. Option D, none of these.
Option C.
Right answer. Men, women and children. Them means men, women and children. Question number 3. What did the child do when he did not find his parents? What did the child do when he did not find his parents? Option A, cried father and mother. Option B, run here and there in all directions. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. Who is the correct answer?
Option
A. Right answer is both. Option C. Option both A and B is the correct answer. The child lost his parents when he cried father and mother and say here and there in all directions से बुलिला और खुजिला. Question number 4. Who lifted the child up? Who lifted the child up? Who lifted the child up? Option A, his father. Option B, his mother. Option C, a man in the rushing crowd. Option D, the priest.
Option C. Option C.
Yes,
Option C.
yes, very good, thank you. Option C, the right answer. A man in the rushing crowd lifted the child up. Question number 5. For what thing did the child make a bold request? For what thing did the child make a bold request? Option A, for eating burfi. Option B, for going on the roundabout. Option C, for getting him a toy. Option D, for getting him balloons. In Nirma High School,
Option B.
what is the right answer? For what thing did the child make a bold request? For what thing did the child make a bold request?
Option D. Option B.
For what thing? Option B is
Option
the
C.
option B is the right answer. For going on the roundabout, the child make a bold request to his parents. Question number 6. When did the child start to cry? When did the child start to cry? Option A, when he lost his parents. Option B, when his father did not get him toy. Option C, when he lost his way. When his father looked at him red-eyed. When did the child start to cry?
Option A. Option number A.
Very good, thank you. Option A is the right answer. When he lost his parents, the child started crying. Next, question number 7. Where was the thickest crowd in the fair? Option A, near sweet shop. Option B, near the temple. Option C, near the roundabout. Option D, near the snack charmer. What is the right answer?
C.
Yes, yes,
Option number C. Option C.
Where was the
Option
thickest
number
crowd
D.
in the fair? केउठी जनगणना
Option number A. Near sweet shop.
गवर्नमेंट स्कूल टिकली पड़ा. What is the right answer?
Option C.
गवर्नमेंट स्कूल की जन्मा.
Option number D.
Option B is the right answer. Near the temple. Near the temple, the thickest crowd in the fair. Question number 8. What was the color of the turban the child had in the story? What was the color of the turban the child had in the story? Option A, yellow. Option B, green. Option C, red. Option D, black. What is the right answer? What was the color of the turban?
Yellow. Yellow.
Very good.
Yellow.
Very good.
Yellow.
Very good. Thank you.
Yellow.
Very good. Thank you. Question number 9. What was the condition of the child's clothes while he was trying to find out his parents in all directions? Option A, his clothes were torn. Option B, his clothes becomes muddy. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. Which is the correct answer?
Option C.
Jaram High School.
Option C.
Thank you. Option C. Option B is the correct answer. His clothes become muddy is the correct answer. Question number 10. What were the men doing at the entrance of the temple? What were the men doing at the entrance of the temple? Option A, jostling each other. Option B, standing in a queue. Option C, shouting. Option D, trying to find out the child parents. What is the right answer? Kanyasaram School, Jaljira. Dohijira. What is the right answer? PS School.
Option number B. Option B.
What were the men doing at the entrance of the temple? Jostling each other. Option B, standing in a queue. Option C, shouting. Option D, trying to find out the child's parents. Dohijira Kanyashram.
Option D. Option D.
Option A is the right answer. Jostling each other. Question number 11. Why did the child cry in real fear? Why did the child cry in real fear? Option A, his parents told him greedy. Option B, he was unable to find his parents. Option C, his parents denied to buy balloons. Option D, he lost the petal from his hands. Who is the correct answer? Upendra High School.
Option D.
Not the correct answer. Which one is correct? Which one is correct? Upendra High School. Soda Uच्च Vidyalaya. Soda Government High School. Option B is the right answer. He was unable to find his parents. Then the child cried in real fear. Question number 12. Where did the child run toward the crowded temple? Where did the child run toward the crowded temple? Option A, to worship. Option B, in search of his parents. Option C, to see the crowd. Option D, to meet the kind man. Who is the correct answer?
Option C.
Prabhati Vidya Mandir. Give the correct answer. Give the correct answer.
C.
Option
C.
Option B is the correct answer. In
B.
search of his parents. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 13. A full deep cry rose within his dry throat when the child could not dash. Option A, get a sweet. Option B, get
Option
a
D.
garland.
Option D.
Very good, thank you. To find his parent is the correct answer. Question number 14. What was the most attractive thing for the child? Option A, the roundabout. Option B, the garland of Gurmahar. Option C, the vibrant balloon. Option D, the snake charmer. Who is the correct answer? Chhota Sargi Government High School. Chhota Sargi Government High School. Who is the correct answer? What was the most attractive thing for the child? The roundabout, the garland of Gulmohar, the vibrant balloon, the snake charmer.
Option A, the roundabout.
Very good, thank you. Question number 15. When did the child's scratch change into soaps? Option A, when the man lifted him. Option B, when he reached the temple. Option C, while running to and fro in search of his parents. Option D, while he was struggling to find a way. Who is the correct answer?
Option C.
Yes. Very good, thank you. While running to and fro in search of his parents, the child cry changed into soap. Dear student, we have completed the part 3rd of the topic. Now a homework for you. Find out different festival and mela celebrated in your locality and make a list. निज एरिया रे पालन होतबा पर्व परपर्वाणी मेला को कलेक्शन करी गोटे लिस्ट प्रस्तुत करिवो.